A wooden deck features a dining set for 6, a bottle of wine, and white flowers. Beyond the stone wall and lily pond, a modern house stands under a clear, light blue, tranquil sky. This stone patio features a beige sectional with blue striped pillows and a matching ottoman. Lush greenery and a white lattice fence surround the space, leading to a cozy house. Wicker chairs with patterned cushions sit at a wooden table on gray stone tiles. Silver lanterns and white flowers decorate the space, which is framed by a stone arch and a tree. A lattice pergola shades a dining table set with pink flowers and glassware. This tiled patio is tucked between a rock garden and a white house with striking black window frames. A black table and wicker chairs sit near a wooden bench with yellow cushions. This stone patio includes a gold flower bowl and a grill, all bordered by a brick wall and fence. A wooden pergola with a dining set overlooks a lush lawn and a small waterfall. A stone path winds through colorful flowers toward a white house under a clear and peaceful sky. This stone patio is furnished with a wooden table and 6 black chairs under a pergola. Pink flowers add a pop of color against the stone wall and rock garden in this retreat. A wooden bench sits on a white deck, surrounded by palm trees and lush greenery. Light-colored stone paths and a white house frame this harmonious, sun-drenched garden scene. Under a dark-roofed pergola, a wooden table is flanked by black chairs and hanging baskets. Yellow and pink flowers brighten the stone patio, bordered by a low brick garden wall. A black shed with white trim sits on a wooden deck by a wicker sofa and colorful blooms. A stone path leads through the green lawn, creating a peaceful and picturesque backyard. This Japanese garden features a wooden deck with a stone lantern and a pink maple. A winding path leads to a waterfall and pond, all enclosed by a private, dark wooden fence. A white gazebo with a dark roof serves as the heart of this floral garden. Wicker furniture and a small pool create a peaceful retreat within the well-kept, fenced backyard area. A white porch and stone pathway lead to an outdoor dining area set for 4. Surrounded by lush greenery and white flowers, this patio is sheltered by a clean, white roof line. A cream-colored house overlooks a wooden dining set and a small waterfall feature. The garden includes a stone retaining wall and a paved patio area under a clear blue sky. A white sofa and matching armchairs sit under a wooden pergola on this lush lawn. Colorful flowers and a wooden fence frame the space against a bright, inviting, and blue sky.